Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z in numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, black color, yellow ochre color, blue color, red color, and green color. Kids, now you draw A and use yellow color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. T for dog. E for elephant. Kids, now you draw F and use black color. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Now you draw J and use yellow ochre color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. It's now you draw N and use blue color. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R and use red color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and lastly draw 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.